was sitting back in my room, bored and jobless. I didn't want no 9 to 5, but I knew I wanted some bread. And I thought to myself, what can I do to make some money? I am Mexican, but I don't have a lawnmower. I don't have construction boots, nor do I want to do it. I could go work in the fields and pick strawberries, like Tate said, but I just really didn't want to. But I do have a grill, and I do know how to make some bomb tacos. And that's when I got my idea to start a taco business. So that's what I did, and in this video, I'm gonna take you along. This is part 3 of me being the taco man, and today's a good one because we were hired out by a millionaire. So let's get right into it.
What's up, YouTube? It's another day of tacos. It's Saturday, May 25th. Now summer is kind of heating up, and bro, opportunities everywhere. I'm filming on a new camera. We'll see how it comes out, how it turns out. If I don't upload, then yeah, you know why. I bet. I'll see you guys when they're there.
So we just got here, and you can see we're about to unpack. I didn't record, but this is our setup. We're inside his garage, and that's where he told us to be. This was a wedding practice party, and he just wanted to serve some tacos. Now this dude is a film millionaire, and I actually interviewed him, and if you want to go check that out, it's gonna be linked up in the card. But anyways, you can see we're starting to cook. We're cooking the onions and the jalapenos first, just to get that seasoning and get that flavor. And we put a tarp at the bottom to make sure we don't get his floor dirty. Customer service at its finest. And then next is our salad. We're cooking it up real quick, making sure it's nice, has all the flavor, because this is the main one that people like. It's the beef. And you can see my dad whipping it up. And I do be cooking, it's just I can't record because he doesn't like recording, and I'm the one that has to record. So yeah, I do the cooking, but he does most of it. So we're finishing our salad, and now we gotta move to the al pastor. Now we're already on the second meat, and I really didn't see nobody. So I didn't know if we were early or if we were late or like what was going on. But anyways, we finished al pastor, put it in the pan, and now we're cooking the pollo, the chicken. Now the chicken, like I said in the previous videos, we can't get the salmonella, so we gotta make sure it's cooked thoroughly. Also, we put a little lime on the carne asada and the al pastor, and even the chicken. Because as we do each event, we're learning new things. And that's something you always got to apply. Always try to grow and get 1% better. And by the time we were cooking up the chicken, the people started rolling in, and they came like in packs, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. So the chicken's almost done, and you can see my dad cleaning the grill. So we put the chicken in the pan, and now we clean the grill, getting ready to do the tortillas. And this is our whole setup, and we're actually ready for them. So let's just get these tortillas cooking, and then let's get to serving. And you can see me with my cool glasses. I set up the table with the salsa, the chips, the forks, the onion, the cilantro, the rice, beans. I'm the server. So we need to do the corn tortillas, and then we're pretty much ready to serve. So these need to cook a little bit first. And then you can see we're doing a little bit of quesadillas on the side with the flour tortillas. So the tortillas are ready, and now we're ready to serve. You can see we're getting everything prepped just so they can have an easy access of everything. And now we're serving. So you can see my dad gives them the tacos or the quesadillas or the molitas, and then I serve them the rice, the beans, the grilled onions, and the jalapenos. So we fed everybody, now they're eating, and here's a little update.
So we're done serving for now. You never know if they might want to worries. I'm eating my food because I'm hungry, bro. I haven't ate nothing. Just some waffles and my mom made me. But that's it, bro. So I'm finna grub. I already ate a molita. I'm eating my quesadilla. I mean, we'll see what happens, bro. We keep recording. I'm trying to record as much as I can, but I was cooking. My dad was chopping up the avocado, making the guacamole. So I was cooking. I was the one cooking. Don't think I'm not doing nothing just because you see the clips of my dad cooking everything. I'm doing a lot too. I clean the dishes. I pack up everything. I unpack everything. I do a lot of different things, and you guys need to better not be talking in the comments because I know you all gonna be talking in the comments. So yeah, let's continue attacking it.
Yeah, so I don't know why y'all coming for me in the comments, but anyways, this is my grub. And then you can see all the people sitting down, eating their food, enjoying it because we got the best tacos, the best quesadillas, the best molitas, we got the best meat. Everything, bruh. Everything's the best, especially our customer service. So we're always waiting for someone to come back up, and then we put on a fresh pair of gloves, and then we serve them some more food. So we gotta make sure everybody's full. So this is the aftermath of all the food. So we're heating up the beans and the rice. The meat's already warm, so these people are coming back for seconds. So let's get ready for that. So they ended up coming for seconds, and I couldn't record it, my fault. But then we just gave them all the leftovers that we had. You can see that right there. We're packing up everything, and then we're gonna get paid, and I'm gonna tell you guys how much we made, and then the tip. We're done. $550 in 4 hours. What is the math on that? 100 some an hour? So we charge $425. It costs $231, so we will make $200 just profit. Revenue is $400, but they gave us tips. The tips came up to $550 because we gave them some Tupperware, and we gave them a lot of meat and extra stuff. You see the money right here? I mean, it's still 200 plus 300 like profit. That's pretty good, especially in the day, only 4 hours of work. Really, you do have to do like prep and all that stuff, but I mean, you could just buy anything else like that. So it was a good day. Check off the glasses. See, the money's there. Like if you just continue this. We were there. We had business cards on the table. How many people are there? How many people are gonna have more? How many people have cousins that need someone to do tacos or just food in general? So it's just gonna continuously stack on itself if you just continue putting in the rep, putting in that work, you're building that rapport, getting yourself out there. That's the main thing you gotta do is just get it started. So good day, tacos is done, made the bread, and
all right, man. So today was just a successful day with the tacos. We have one tomorrow. I cannot be at it. I'm gonna help them set up. We still have supplies from today that we're gonna use tomorrow. So we are saving money. So we're probably gonna make even more profit. So yeah, super today, made my money. Now I could get ready to do some other things, do some other work, and I just continue stacking it, man.